Hello little scientist, welcome to Alan IntelliBrain. We have observed reflection around us. But do you know that light follows certain laws for its reflection? So in this video, let's observe an important law of reflection. From your IntelliSmart box, take out Reflection of Light Activity Kit. From the kit, take out mirror, laser light, plastic box, protractor, glue drops and sanitizer sachet. You will also need a paper, ruler, a pair of scissors, pencil and a glass of water from your home. In order to observe the best results, we should perform this experiment in a dark room or at night. Switch off the light in the room and close all curtains to make it dark. Now, remove the peel of the mirror and stick the glue drops behind it like this. Now, fix the mirror on the back wall of the box on which the lid of the box is hinged. Now, place the protractor at the bottom of the box in a way such that its flat edge touches the mirror. Can you see the reflection of the protractor now? Now let's take the paper and draw a line at the center, like this. Now let's place the box on this paper. Fill this box with water up to 3/4 level. Now open the sanitizer sachet and empty it into the water filled in the box. Thoroughly mix the water and sanitizer using your finger. This solution will work as a colloidal solution and will enable us to see the laser beam properly. You can also use 1 or 2 drops of any antiseptic liquid instead of sanitizer and make a colloidal solution. Adjust the box to align the center point of the protractor with the line on the paper, like this. Close the lid and adjust the box to align the center point of the protractor with the line on the paper, like this. Now, switch on the laser light and point its beam on the mirror in such a way that it is incident in line with the center line. Can you see any reflected ray? No. Now, let's start tilting the incident ray such that it makes some angle with the center line. This angle is the angle of incidence, that is the angle between the normal and incident ray. Can you see this reflected ray? This angle between the normal and the reflected ray is called the angle of reflection. Now just observe that the angle of incidence and the angle of reflection are equal. You can verify this result by changing the angle of incidence again and again, and then measuring the angle of reflection in each case. In our experiment, when the beam of laser light strikes the mirror, it gets reflected off the mirror. The angle of incidence is the angle between the normal and the incident ray, whereas the angle of reflection is the angle between the normal and the reflected ray. We learned that angle of reflection is always equal to the angle of incidence. Visualize science with IntelliBrain and fall in love with learning.